And I would urge all of the viewers and people at home to think about this one. You know, many of us, we spend a lot of money on eating out. You know, it's encouraged. Spend money on your family. Take your family, have nice food. But I'll just give you my own reflection. Last week, I went to a dessert shop, Absab, and we'd had food at home, and I just wanted to get some desserts for the kids and the family. I ended up spending, I was surprised when the bill came to 35, 38 pounds. And you know what was also surprising? Was that dessert price, everything's gone up, but still at the same time, there was a queue of cars outside that.
Ram-packed, as they say.
To use an official term, yeah. It was so busy. Everybody was there. That's £38, £40, whatever it costs. I just want to give people one simple swap that we can do. Next time, rather than taking the family out to buy food or for a dessert or something like that, my advice to you is go and buy the ingredients from the supermarket, bring them home, and cook them with your children.
MashaAllah.
And I've said it's not just about saving them. Definitely, you'll save money. You know, the cookie dough, or you want to make cookies at home, or buns, or cupcakes, whatever. You will save money by making it at home compared to buying it in the supermarket. But you know what you'll also benefit from? You'll have quality time with your kids. You know, that process of mixing the ingredients, putting them in the oven, looking at the result, checking on them. You know, that's 1, 2, 3 hours which you will spend with your children, with your family at home. That's priceless. You can't even put a price on that.